Hey guys, so I honestly have been procrastinating doing this, and finally tomorrow is Father's Day. So Father's Day tomorrow, and I'm making my dad a shirt for Father's Day. I'm really excited to make this shirt because I just love making things for my family when I do it at my own time, at my own pace. I'm just a little bit pressed of time today, so it's a bit. I might not sleep, and tomorrow is church because obviously Father's Day is on Sunday. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be taking you guys with me as to in on making this shirt. So this is a Father's Day video, no tutorials. I'm just taking you along with me. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the shirt that I'm actually trying to make. This is what I'm making. As you guys can see, this is a basic, clean shirt with a collar. Sorry. And I've also drawn out how many pattern pieces I'm supposed to have. It is a total of 19 pattern pieces. And I don't have enough of this fabric, which is so nice. You guys, look at this cordial like fabric. Okay, and not having enough of this fabric, I realized that I am gonna have to now like make it a contrast uh as opposed to what I initially wanted it to be, which was full on completely cordial. So yeah, as I'm just thinking now, how am I gonna do this? Do I now like make I'm thinking I'm thinking okay, I think I figured it out, but I just need to see. I do have enough fabric, so that's a good thing. So this is what I've pretty much done. So this is gonna the color is gonna stay as cordial. This is gonna be wait a minute. It wouldn't be so bad if this was cordial, and then cordial here, and then the black denim, and then the sleeves are also like the black denim. That wouldn't be too bad as well. That's also cool. And then my pockets are contrasting there. This is still gonna be a cordial. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't even have enough time to think. All I have to do is just do, because time is not on my side. Yeah. 2, 3, go. 난 모를 거야. 아마 날 모를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습은 진짜가 아니야. 내 자신이 미워서 한참을 울었어. 그래야 기분이 나아질 것 같아서 내일이 오면 나는 또다시 어제 입었던 옷을 입고서 have to fake 나약한 모습은 숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 겉모습만 판단하니까 하나둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가는 별거 없어. So guys, I'm done with the shirt. No, not done. The back is actually looking quite clean. Sheesh. how it's looking on the inside. It's gonna be a really nice shirt. I like it. I love it. Okay guys, I am stuck. I don't know what to do. Wait. So the color that I am doing, this is the color that I'm doing, 8A. But I've never done this color before, and so from this picture and what they're explaining over here, I don't know how the stand is gonna sit. Like, I don't understand. So I'm gonna try and find out how it's supposed to be. I'm gonna do it this way. I'm going to do it like this one, which is number 4, this one. So basically I'm gonna have to stitch over there, turn it, have a corner. But I know how to do that. That's what I've been thinking, but I don't know if it's gonna work out. Okay guys, so I'm done with the shirt front. I've added a button stand and the pocket. Just take this out. So yeah, both sides are identical, and then my back piece was also ready. So now what I'm going to do is join the shoulders and then the sides and then overlock it and then add the sleeves and then the collar. Hey guys, so it's 6:30 I think now in the morning, Sunday morning, so that means it is Father's Day. And what am I doing? I'm putting on the buttons. So I'm trying to get this thread in the needle. The hole is just so small, I can't get it in. I'm done guys, I'm done. Guys, it came out so pretty. Let me show you guys. Oh, it is so pretty. And I like the fact that like there's a mixture of weights. So if my dad wanted to, he could wear it like this, you know, open up like that. It is just so cool. Okay. I just cut off the threads. I need to add in my tag. Oh, that's one. It's just so cool, guys. So this is denim over here, full denim. The under collar is denim. The stands here are denim, and this is a very nice soft velvety corduroy. It is so cute, you guys. Wait. Oh, it is so nice and soft. I want to go buy more of this and make more things. But look at me looking all cute. I like it. I wish it was mine. I'm gonna make one for myself. I really like it. I really do. I think I just need to open up this button. Oh, it's a bit tight. So guys, this is how the shirt looks. I am so excited. My dad loves it. Unfortunately, my dad was not around, so I asked my sister to stand in his place and model the shirt for me. It looks really, really cute. Love how the button stand came out. Everything, love it. The contrast of fabrics is just amazing. And I do think that the pockets are a little bit further apart, so I am gonna bring them a bit closer, unless it's because it's on my sister right now. But on my dad, it looked pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.